Hey guys, again welcome to my channel. This is the part 2 of the video. In the previous video, we installed Ubuntu in WSL. As I said, let's just try to install any other distribution apart from the default one. So you can see here, for the to change the distribution installed, enter this command. We will just copy it and then open the Windows terminal as the previous video I showed and paste it. Let's just assume we are going to install Debian. I really like Debian Linux. It is simple and not much of the packages come with it default. So and it is also under the apt package manager. So really useful and easy to use. Let's click enter. It will start now installing Debian Linux, unlike the previous one which in default installed Ubuntu, and it will take some time. Just hold a cup of coffee. As you can see, the installation is successful, and let's enter username. I will give the same as the previous one, which is my YouTube channel username also. Okay, let me just use a simple one, and password I will give 12345. Again I have to type 12345. You can see the installation successful is written, and we are in the Debian now. If we want to see more about this, you can simply install the package neofetch. You can see the command in my screen and paste it. Enter the password you entered. As you can see, I am getting some of the errors, and this is because of my internet right now is not that stable. You won't get this for the installation. So that's it for the video. Hope you really enjoyed and learned something new. If you liked this video, please drop a like and subscribe and share this video to your friends and other way. Thank you.